Welcome to SIRS 2022, the 6th annual conference for the Saudi Interventional Radiology Society. We prepared a 3-day special program for you this year, including clinically oriented case-based discussions, a special symposium for neurointerventional radiology, allied health, and a full day for medical students, including workshops. I would like to thank the program committee, the organizing company, and the supporting companies. We look forward to seeing all of you. Thank you.